The Astro A40s have served me well for at least a few months now. I love them. But that's the thing. The Astro A40s, it's a headset. A gaming headset at that. And is that really the best I can do in terms of audio for PC gaming and music and movie watching and just audio in general? No, I can do a lot better. Hello guys, Warrior. David Franco here from twitch.tv/David Franco. Please follow me right below. Appreciate it. I stream every single day except for Sunday and twice on those days in the morning and at night. Okay, so recently I had a revelation of sorts. I went to Atlantic City. Good times, good times. I had a lucky spin on the slots and won about $400. Which is a good chunk of change. So yeah, I went there with $200 and came home with $400, so I doubled my money. Basic math, David. Good job, good job. But seriously, $400, that's money I didn't have before in regards to, spending money. Not bills or mortgage, rent, all that stuff. So I figured I would treat myself to something, and I got thinking, I'm like, David, what can you buy yourself? Because God knows you've been buying everything else in this freaking gaming market, and I love it. I really do. It's a very expensive hobby. But then it hit me. I was like, wait a minute. The Astro A40s are great, but for a while now, I've heard that headphones are the much better route to go. And that's the thing. Gaming headsets are awesome for what they promise to do. I mean, I've been loving the A40s. But beyond the whole headset market, they're just headphones with some thrown-on features like voice monitoring, surround sound. You get the preamp, which is actually great. I love it. But beyond that, it's just a headset. So I got thinking, David, it's finally time to treat yourself to a better than good pair of actual headphones. So through much research, I got the Sennheiser HD 650s. Now, I was thinking about the 600s. This is like maybe $80 more than the 600s. And I'm not like some audiophile, but I definitely care about good audio. And there was this excellent review on Amazon where this guy basically had both pairs. And this guy was definitely an audiophile. I could just tell by the way he was explaining things. So long story short, the 650s are better enough to warrant the purchase. So here you go, guys. Sennheiser HD 650. I'm here to unbox it today, as well as the FIO, don't know how to say that brand name, E10K Olympus 2 USB DAC. So basically, this is my first DAC ever. I do have a little preamp back there, but that's, for my microphone, which is actually right here, the AT2035. Amazing microphone. I'll link it right below. So this is specifically for my headphones. And yeah, I realize my Asus motherboard actually has a somewhat decent DAC, but per my research, no matter how great these motherboard companies claim their DACs are, you should still have a dedicated DAC, and this one cost me about $75 to $80, which is actually very, very cheap. Yeah, it's not like anything overly fancy, but the overall reviews have just been exceedingly positive, especially considering you can get it for less than $100, and it does have a bass boost little switch on there, which kind of sold me, not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox the Sennheisers right now. I don't think you even need a knife, do you? I don't want to rip the box. It looks kind of nice. Let me take this out. There you go. Sorry, but the desk is a little shaky. I'm not in my office, obviously. So I'm doing this with what I have. I am very, very curious about the audio quality. Apparently, these sound just fantastic. Okay, this is a very tight box. And I ripped the box. That's okay. Not a big deal. Alright, so put them right there. Keep the PC awake. And it looks like a shoebox. Guys, I got myself a nice pair of shoes. You like? Alright, seriously though. Let's open the box. Oh, look at that. Got hinges on the back. So obviously it opens this way. Oh. And there you go. The Sennheiser HD 650s. Get a little quick start guide. Very nice, which I'll probably just leave in the plastic. This little piece of foam. A very long audio cable. And I believe you have to use this adapter. So basically we have this large connector on the edge, on the end I mean. And then it goes into your standard 3.5mm. Plug it directly into the DAC. or your PC. There's nothing wrong with plugging a good pair of headphones into your PC. It's going to sound good for the most part. But again, per my research, going for a DAC makes it the ultimate experience. And again, guys, this is like $80. That's not a lot of money for a decent DAC. So there you go. The HD 650s from Sennheiser. Incredibly light. Like very, like surprisingly light. Got a sleek design. Nice large cans. Very nice. And apparently these are quite comfortable. You gotta extend that. Got a big head. You know what they say, big head? Big cats. Maybe shrink it a little bit. Alright, which one's right? Okay, this is left. This one's right. So, let me get this audio cable out of the way. Alright. Now, these are open back, so they're not going to drown out the background noise, but I got them for that reason, because I want to hear background noise, just in case someone's here to see me, the doorbell rings, whatever, because I like hearing background noise here and there. So I don't recommend getting these if you're going to be like flying on an airplane or whatever, because, well, they're not designed to block out background noise. These are not noise-canceling headphones, and I did that on purpose. So apparently these sound amazing. I'm going to test these in a bit. The point of this video isn't to give you a demonstration, it's just to give you a simple unboxing, kind of like an insight into the headphones I prefer, at least I think I'm going to prefer, as well as the DAC that I think I'm going to prefer. And of course, as always, if you guys want more information on this, or these items, let me know in the comments right below and give this video a like, I appreciate it. I will likely be making a separate video about my audio setup, you know, in regards to my headphones, the DAC, my microphone, and the preamp, like everything, like an all-in-one kind of video. Because don't forget, video is important when it comes to a live stream, like, you know, Twitch, YouTube, or whatever, or even Facebook. But audio is arguably more important. I mean, your video could be 4K, 60 frames per second. It could just look downright beautiful. But if your audio sucks, then you're likely not going to have viewers sticking around, because audio is insanely important in just bringing together a quality presentation for your audience. So do not let audio go unnoticed. You need to make a small investment in audio equipment if you're serious about bringing in viewers. Yes, I realize there's a better way of opening things, but you know what, guys? I just like to tear things open because I am excited. This is going to be very, very cool. And there it is. Guys, this is the DAC. Look how tiny that is. That's insane. And despite its small size, it has a nice weight to it. We got a knob over here, I'm guessing for just volume levels. And once again, bass boost, which is going to be great. So the DAC is going to plug into my PC via micro USB right there. And then my headphones comes out of there. I keep wanting to say headset. Now, I thought of selling the Astro A40s, but I don't think I would get a lot for them because they're kind of stained red. I'm not sure why they're red. Maybe my red pants I wear at night, but these aren't on my pants. So I'm not sure where the red is coming from. So I think I will save these just as like a spare headset, because there's nothing wrong with having a dedicated gaming headset. But in theory, having a kick-ass microphone separate and a kick-ass pair of headphones separate is overall going to give you a much better experience. So once again, there is the DAC. Very simple, extremely minimalistic. My goal is for this to be out of the way. Just put it maybe behind my PC, on the side of my PC, I don't know. So yeah, just let it do its job, and you can continue streaming without a worry in the world. And we do have a little box here with cables. And this is my micro USB cable. And it looks like a grip of some sorts, because this thing is so tiny. You might want to put the grip on the bottom. I'm assuming that's what it's for, and this will prevent it from sliding around on your table. So very smart, FIO or FIO, for including this. All right, guys, there you have it. I'm sorry if you expected some kind of audio test. That's not what this video is meant to be. It's just a preview into my new audio setup. But once again, comment and like right below if you want to see a dedicated video all about my audio gear. But not only that, I will be featuring this, or these rather, in my future, the next weekend vlog this upcoming weekend. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to buy these headphones right below, please do so. And if you want to buy this audio DAC right below, please do so. Treat yourself, guys. It's tax season, right? You got some money coming back to you. Spend it wisely. And well, in my opinion, one of the best ways to spend money on tech is, well, good audio. So make it worth it, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Noisy chair.